cutting mat is something you're going to use every day. I know I do. These things are great for keeping your work surface clean, and they're also great for keeping your blades from getting too dull. This mat has some helpful grids on it, which are great for making square cuts and also for lining parts up. And it also has these helpful angles on the sides, which can help you make angled cuts or connect things at an angle. This is also a self-healing mat, so when you make a cut, if I line up my straight edge, this will help me make a square cut. When the blade comes off the end and into the cutting mat, it protects the blade so you don't chip your end. You get your cut nice and clean. And then if you look here, you can't even see where the blade dug into the mat, which is a lot better than it digging into your work surface. The cutting mat is also great for gluing parts together. You set your one piece here nice and square, line it up, bring in another piece, you can line that up to your square edge. Once you have that all lined up, put a little glue on the surface there, make your joint, and it's nice and square. So a cutting mat is a great thing to have on your workbench.